Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Rumble Rant feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So a Rumble Rant is a paid tipping feature that lets viewers highlight and pin their comments to the top of their creator's live stream chat for a set amount of time. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and find someone who's live, just like this. Then you want to simply go ahead and click on the dollar icon on the bottom of your screen. And this is where you can simply go ahead and put the amount of the rant, which is going to go ahead and stay for. So as you can see, you can put it all the way up to 300 minutes from 2 minutes. So just like that, you can simply go ahead and add a message and then pay with Apple Pay or even Rumble Wallet. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you.